Welcome to this tutorial on how to boost your Vrbo listing. A comprehensive guide to help you increase your visibility, attract more guests, and maximize your rental income. First, optimize your listing title. It should be descriptive, including the location, type of property, and its best features. Use relevant keywords that guests might use when searching for a property like yours. For example, if you have a beachfront condo in Miami, your title could be Miami Beachfront Condo with Ocean Views. Next, add high-quality photos. They are crucial in showcasing your property and attracting potential guests. Use good lighting, show all rooms and amenities, and consider hiring a professional photographer. Make sure your photos are well organized and tell a story about your property. Now, write an engaging and detailed description of your property, including its best features, amenities, and location. Be honest and accurate, and highlight what makes your property unique. Use a friendly tone and make sure your description is easy to read and understand. Another important step is to set a competitive rate for your property. Research your competition, consider the time of year, and think about offering discounts for long-term stays. Keep in mind that your rate should be competitive, but also reflect the value and quality of your property. Next, utilize Vrbo's promotional tools, such as special offers, last-minute deals, and property badges. These tools can help you stand out from the competition and attract more guests. Make sure to regularly review and update your listing to ensure it remains competitive and accurate. Finally, encourage your guests to leave reviews. They are essential in building credibility and attracting more guests. Respond promptly to all reviews, both positive and negative, and use them as an opportunity to improve your property and services. By following these steps, you can significantly boost your Vrbo listing, attract more guests, and increase your rental income. Remember to always follow Vrbo's guidelines and policies, and to continuously monitor and improve your listing to ensure its success. With a little effort and dedication, you can make your Vrbo listing stand out and achieve your rental goals.